Here's part 2 of our big storm we're having here. Storm in Minecraft, just west of Windstorm. We're having a massive storm. You can see the winds are just blowing everywhere. You see down here, there's a lot of trees over there. Cracked over there. I saw one sycamore branch that was cracked, and wow, what a doozy. So I decided, oh, let me save it. I went under it. Good plan. And then, look at this other elm tree. There's a lot of elm trees over here in Russia, so Minecraft state trees is the Siberian elm. So unusual. It's the Siberian elm. Yeah, it said on the label. Siberian elm. Way out over near the Isotope Mountains. Southwest, actually southwest. Because it's near the where it's near the Newton shore, so it's near the there's Marangi Lake, and then there's a Chiapa Lake, and then it goes down to the ocean. Actually, it's